Hello, I can't really see you guys because of the sun, but I just wanted to come on and say good morning, happy Monday. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Hope you're having a good day. We are getting ready we just got out of the pool. We're getting ready to go get our facial. We're getting a facial. It's an SOS, like sun facial to help you hydrate after being in the sun all week. 2 weeks for us. So yeah, that's going to be a little crazy. We had breakfast this morning, came to the pool, bought a lot. I got a couple of keychains, last minute gifts for people. And now I am going to go for my facial in about 20 minutes. Then we're going to come back, probably get in the pool maybe for a little bit longer. I pretty much packed up everything last night, so I don't really have to do too much tonight. Tonight we're just going to the buffet and the show, so not going to be anything too crazy, but just relaxing and enjoying our last full day here. So talk to you guys soon. Bye. Good morning. Happy Wednesday, guys. Oh my goodness. Sorry I was not on much yesterday. I just kind of posted some stuff. We were just so busy. It was such a travel day, but our flight actually left like 40 minutes early or 30 minutes early actually, and we had a good tailwind, so we ended up getting in an hour early, so that was great. We landed. We had a smooth flight. Everything was great. Landed. We ended up going to Montana's for supper, and then we came back to the room, switch some stuff around because today we're going to IKEA and Costco and that, so we need to make room in the car. Yeah, so that was it. You saw this morning, it is not very nice here in Nova Scotia, but it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna go do some shopping today, head home, and then I get to see my cat, so I'm so excited. I am off for the next 4 days, so I don't go back to work until Monday, so I'm super excited with that as well. Get to spend some time with my husband. But yeah, so that is really all that's going on. We had an absolutely fabulous 2 weeks, guys. It was so nice. Thank you for coming along with me. Still lots of content left, but not much going to be that exciting anymore. And meal prep on Sunday. Today we'll still be shopping, back to regularly scheduled programming. So yeah, so I'm just going to fill you in a little bit now about what I'm going to be doing over the next little bit. So Monday I made a 30-day My Way challenge up, and I have 5 goals. I will be sharing the template so that if you want to join in, you can. Do not feel pressure to. It is, so I did the 75 My Way, and everyone always does like 75 hard, 75 hard-ish, all those ones, 75 soft. And I thought I'm going to do a 75 My Way. So there's no pressure. I get to make all the rules, and I can make them attainable. They do not have to be hard. So I'm going to do, so I did that. So now I'm doing a 30-day one. 75 was just really long. And, it's a lot of people want to give up when it's 75, right? So I'm doing 30 days, and it's starting Monday, May 8th. So Monday, once I get my meal prep home, I get home, grocery shop, get my meal prep done. Then Monday, we're going to start tracking and getting everything in. I am not weighing in. I'm going to go back to daily weighing, but I'm not weighing in until 1 week after being back on track and tracking and everything like that. So, not that I'm going like off the rails now or anything like that, but I'm just not, I'm not daily weighing or anything like that. And I'm not going to weigh until May 15th, the following Monday. Because last year when I came back from away for 2 weeks, I weighed in, I was up like 20 pounds, so frustrated, not thinking like some of it's bloat and stuff like that. And you were just away for 2 weeks. So I'm giving myself a week and a half basically to get. So yeah, so I just, so I'm going to give myself time because I don't want to get discouraged. And when I went off track like that, when I got discouraged, when I saw the 20 pounds, I was mad and upset, and I just like kept eating. So yeah, we're not doing that again. I've learned my lesson from that, so I'm not doing it. So yeah, so we're going to be smart and wait a little bit before I weigh in. So, and I know I'm up a little bit. I can feel it. I don't think it's as bad as last year, that's for sure. But I know that I'm up a little bit. So, and I will take that. And hopefully when I weigh in on the 16th, 15th, that it will hopefully be back to where I was. So we shall see. So lots of stuff going on. Like I said, I will share that template. I'll put it in my stories. I'll also put it on here if you want to join. You can just add your 5 rules, whatever you want to do, your goals. I will show you guys what mine's going to be, but I will talk about that more later. Also, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put up a little question thing here. So it's anonymous questions or comments. So I won't know who sent them. But yeah, it's anonymous questions and comments because I have so many people asking about the trip, or if you want to know anything or you just want to ask a question about the trip, you can do that. And some people just don't like doing it if I know who it is. So you can ask away and I will answer them today because we have a 4-hour drive home tonight. So I will answer them this evening while we're driving. So yeah, so ask anything you want to. I hope you enjoyed the trip. Hope you loved following along, and I hope you keep following along. So I will chat soon. I'm going to go get dressed now. I'm not wearing this cat nightgown out, but I'm going to go get dressed, and we're going to head to IKEA. So I will take you guys with me. And like I said, I'm going to put the question box in the next slide. So talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Hello, outfit of the day. Quite the difference. No bathing suit, but I still have flip-flops on. They're not coming, they're staying for good now. But yeah, it's kind of crappy day here, so. Anyway, have a good day, guys.